Welcome back. My name is Marie Solid. I'm the manager of the Poe Library on Sullivan's Island, and today we're going to make an origami samurai helmet. You can make it small out of origami paper, or you can make it out of a piece of newspaper like we're going to do today, big enough for someone to wear on their head. So we're going to make a samurai hat today, but instead of making a tiny one like this, we are going to make one big enough to wear. My grandfather used to make these out of newspaper, which is what I'm going to do. Newspaper obviously isn't square, so I fold my triangle, and then I fold this edge over to form a square. And you can cut it with the scissors. I'm just going to tear it. So, triangle, open and down towards you. Take both corners down. Doesn't have to be exact. We've got a diamond, and now this goes up, just the open side goes up, and each side comes down, so this is parallel to this. And now half of the bottom comes up part way. And then the rest of the bottom folds up on this line here. And the last thing you do is you fold the back side up, open it up, and tuck it in. And now we have a helmet that you can wear like this.